Today we're going to take a quick look at entering data on the vital signs and physical exam form. So the first thing you want to take a look at is height, and it's going to be in inches. So even if they record the height as, say, 5'2", you are going to expect that the site's going to convert it and put in 60. And the same thing for weight. It needs to be in pounds and not kilograms. And I think I have a range to show you here. So excellent. So I have entered that the patient is 75 pounds, and the system is reminding me that the suggested range is 80 to 200 pounds. And it's going to tell me that the value is admissible, but I might wish to verify it. And I'm going to look back down and say, yeah, 75 is on my CRF. And I'm going to remember that this is part of the edit checks, and so we can find that when we run the edit checks and decide whether or not to query it then. And I just clicked close and move on. I'm going to put in the systolic and the diastolic, the temperature, and here, this is kind of interesting, REDCap didn't let me provide tight ranges. I would have liked to have made this a numeric that allowed a decimal and no text, but you know, in reality, I could even enter something like normal, which remember is not analyzable. So you know, we're going to leave this in here and see how it flags out on the edit checks. And vital signs is going to have a pulse of 40, and it tells me again that this is outside the normal range. I'm going to close it and move on. Now, general appearance within normal limits is going to look just like this if I type in yes, but if I say no, it's not within normal limits, it's going to have a hidden field appear that allows me to enter the comment text that the site has recorded to describe what is not within normal limits. And this patient has, patient has persistent anemia, typo, appears pale and lethargic. So we're going to say that's it, we got it, just click anywhere. Going to leave the form incomplete, and we're going to save our record and go to the next form.